Alright YouTube, we're back at this house again. This time we're gonna rip out all the grass here. The homeowners put in some plants, and then we're gonna just change over from normal spray irrigation to drip irrigation for the drought tolerant plants. So got started already here. The first step here was to identify where the normal irrigation was, and then there's the little elbow fitting, and we put a PVC plug in there, and so that's gonna basically cover up all of the existing sprinkler spots without having to dig them all out. It'll plug them up, and then over here we chose this site somewhat arbitrarily to be where we're going to start our drip. And so this is kind of right about at the back of the front yard section, and these are all the adapters required to go from the 1/2 inch threaded connection up to a 3/4 inch pipe thread. And then here's the pressure reducer, and then this is the thread to slip fit connector, and then our irrigation tube will come out this way and water all the plants. So let's get to work here. All right, of course the last one, this pipe is broken. The tool that I have for extracting broken pipe just won't reach in on this kind of choose your own size riser, so we're gonna have to dig it out, use some pliers. Of course it's the last one. All right, got it in. That was our last one. Now it's time to fill everything back in and get it all leveled out with a rake. All right, we got the walkway placed. Now we're going to start installing the drip system. So the overall stack up, we go elbow fitting to male 1/2 inch thread. This is the 3/4 thread, and then this goes to the pressure reducer piece, and then this is the slip fit piece. And we're gonna stick the 700 diameter tube in here, and then it's just gonna arc around and go water all the plants. The overall idea is that it'll come out sideways and then come up flush with the rest of the ground. Alright, we got our drip line installed. It's routed all around. And then it'll come and serve all these plants water when the irrigation turns on. And just a pretty simple run. We just need to come in here and cut it right here, and we'll put the figure 8 enclosure on it, and we'll be good to start testing the system out. Alright, here's our drip system test. We got the irrigation running. The drippers are all kind of working. A little bit there. We tested the system and everything works fine, and there was just one more sprinkler, so I went to dig it up and put a cap in it like the rest of them, and found this. So don't do that. I'm going to check, and I'm pretty sure the 1/2-inch screw plug that I have will fit down in there, and so it's just a matter of taking all this off and putting the plug in sideways rather than how we had done the rest of them. But don't do this kind of stuff. Alright, here's our less stupid solution to a stupid problem. So let's get this all covered back up, and then we'll lay out some of the mulch and the rock. Okay, quick little update. We got a kind of rock feature put in here, snakes around, and then the next step is to put mulch down. So let's get that hammered out. Alright, there's the finished product. We got the stepping stones. The drip system is all buried under the mulch. We got the plants, the rock feature. Now the last step is taking pictures and getting the HOA to approve that this looks better than dead grass. So hopefully they agree. I think it's pretty good.